What's up, y'all? Good morning. I'm a little hurt. Rotation screen lock was on. The whole format is all messed up. 15-minute video, all the footage. I didn't know. But it is what it is. What we can do is move forward. This is why I'm doing preludes, because I can put stuff on here. I can mess up. It's okay. Once I get everything down, then I'll create the episodes. These preludes are pretty much my rough drafts, but I didn't want to just scrap them. So here you go. So today we're going to go to the bank because I lost my debit card. It's in here somewhere. I've cleaned the whole van out and I can't find it. So we're just going to go get a new one today. Second thing, we're going to go hit Planet Fitness, shower, freshen up. Third, we're going to go to Walmart, get some food, get a little bit of supplies that I'm going to need. Then we're going to head to the beach again. But this time we're going to cook. I don't know what I'm going to make yet. I'm going to try to do the best I can to film it because I don't have a tripod. So it's going to be all shot from a picnic table and from me standing up holding the phones. Got to make do with what I can. I got some more cooking supplies. I'm going to go get a few more things, get some food, get some ice for this bad boy. And then we're going to go cook. Ugh. So pretty much every day before I leave, there's two modes that the car sits in. Like for myself, there's the home mode and there's drive mode. I'm in home mode right now. I'm stationary. I can't just get up and go. There's like things I have to do before I can just go. Everything that's not held down, I have to put on the floor or put on something that it's not gonna fall over. I have to go get the extension cord. Right now I'm at a hotel. So Jackery's at 100%, got the fan going, phones at 100, laptops at 100. I was watching a movie last night. I also have to like tidy up a little bit so, you know, things on the ground aren't just rolling around. In driving mode, it's pretty much the opposite. Everything's put away so then I can just go wherever I need to go. When I park somewhere where I'm gonna be for the night or for a good 5-6 hours, I'll take everything down that I put up back into home mode, so I can access it easier. That's gonna be the plan for the day. Bank, Planet Fitness, Walmart, beach, cook, chill. 6 things. Okay, I'm not ready, but I'm ready. I put so much work into the last video, guys. I'm so hurt about it. Mistakes. But we learn. It'd be nice to have some criticism right about now. Time to go. Usually I'll make my bed. I'm gonna make my bed this time. I don't feel like it. I'll probably make it once I get to the beach. I still have to do all the home to drive mode stuff. Yeah, buddy. 100%. I gotta grab that drink back there so it don't spill. I already spilled it earlier. Okay, that's all done. Gotta dump these out. Don't want to get the steering wheel all sticky. Now, we're going to the bank. All right, I got my debit card. Now it's off to Walmart. I wanted to go to Planet Fitness first so I could shower, brush my teeth. But I would be going so out of the way. It only made sense to go to the bank and Walmart and Planet Fitness, or else I would have went to Planet first. I had to just use mouthwash until I get to Planet Fitness to actually brush my teeth so my breath ain't kicking. I don't know what I want to make though. I don't know what I want to cook. I do not know. All right, since the bank told me I gotta wait about 10 minutes before the card is good to go, I have to chill here for about 10-15 minutes before I even go in and get my stuff. So in the meantime, we're gonna clean this up a little bit because it's getting a little out of control. Feels better. Feels a lot better. all cut off. Not gonna lie. It looks worse, feels better though. But that killed a little bit of time. All right, got a bunch of food. All right, so I'm gonna take this food out, add this ice, and then pack the food back in, kind of bury some of the drinks. You know how this goes. Got the food. About to make chicken strips and vegetables and some rolls. We're gonna go to Planet Fitness now. Then we're gonna go hit the beach and cook all this stuff up. If my car will start. Takes time, but it always pulls through. Sometimes you gotta pull the key out, turn it around, put it back in. Come on, bye-bye. You see that? Just like that, she starts. I don't know, I don't get it. All right, off to Planet Fitness. It is hot today. It's a hot one today. Steady as she goes, steady. All right, we here. Time to get nice and clean. Kind of want to wear something crispy, but I'm about to be cooking, so it's like, might get all crispy and get food all over it. I don't know. I will see you when I come back. I feel way better. Time to go to the beach, huh? Alright guys, gonna go on another nature walk. Since last time the videos were compromised. Good old nature walk. Can't give away that location now, can we? We're back at the water again. Check it out. Check it out. A little bit of sand, just a little tiny bit. A little tiny bit of sand. Not much. It's the little area I'd be coming to where the rocks are. $100%.